Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This speed is of 80 words per minute and is of Andhra Pradesh, and the examination in the month of July 1999. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Participating in the debate on the bill, the leader of the opposition said, "Respected Speaker, sir, the government has just now introduced a bill for raising the limits of expenditure in the elections from the present level of 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. It has been pointed out that in view of the increasing costs of various materials, the raising is justified. The Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs has, while moving the motion, stated that there have been requests from members of political parties that the limits be raised. I fully agree with the sentiments expressed by honorable members of the House that the present amount is not sufficient even to meet a part of the expenditure. But I have my own comments to make. In the first place, let me ask one simple question. Cannot the elections be conducted without such huge expenditure? And what are the various heads under which the amount is being spent? Many of the honorable members would agree that the elections are now won only through foul means. In olden days, people were elected based on their character, sincerity, and their devotion for the cause of the humanity. The legislatures, either at the state or central levels, were full of respect with such men at the proper positions. Even the members belonging to the ruling party did not hesitate to put the government in a fix with their questions affecting the citizens. But the present day elections have become a farce, and with due apologies to my honorable friends in the House, I would like to state that everyone thinks that he can be elected to the august House by using either money or muscle power. This is a practice which should be curbed. In the second place, I have a suggestion to make to the government in this regard. Instead of raising the limits of expenditure, the government may provide an opportunity for each recognized political party to make publicity through the different channels of radio till the end of the elections. Since the radio reaches a large number of people in the different parts of the country, it will be of immense benefit for all the parties irrespective of political affiliations. At present, there is control of government over the All India Radio, which usually airs the views of the government alone, and such controls could be removed by the government. My dear brother, I am very happy to receive your letter in which you have written that you are going to appear for an interview very soon in a well established organization, and that you are worried about facing the same. I shall be glad to offer my suggestions in this regard. On this day of interview, your appearance should be smart, and you have to arrange your certificates in an order. Every interview needs a thorough preparation. You have to brush your knowledge in the subjects that you have studied in your academic career besides the current affairs. You should remember in this context that the organization does not expect answers for all the questions. Sometimes you may feel that the questions are quite useless, but such a thought should be avoided at all costs. The purpose of an interview is not to test the knowledge in the subjects, but only to know your views and reactions. Yours affectionately, that's all.